Most of our free time is spent eating, watching TV, updating profiles, playing games, or lounging around. Finding time to work out can be tiresome in itself. Sometimes we just want to add a little more activity to our daily routine. Introducing the Deskcise Pro from FlexiSpot. The Deskcise Pro combines a fully adjustable standing desk with an exercise bike. Now you can maintain your lifestyle while also conveniently adding activity to an otherwise sedentary time of your day. The Deskcise Pro has a large desktop that can fit most laptops, tablets, and other things you like to do while burning a few extra calories. The desktop and seat are fully adjustable on the fly. Both are able to raise and lower in height, and the desk can be pushed away or pulled closer with a light squeeze. The Deskcise Pro has 8 different magnetic resistance levels, allowing you to adjust on the fly quietly and smoothly. Adding activity is the best way to burn some extra calories, but even using the Deskcise Pro as a stand desk can increase your daily caloric usage. The Deskcise Pro is designed with convenience in mind. After extending the legs, attach the desktop and secure it with the bolt provided. After use, the Deskcise Pro shrinks down to a small footprint and can be rolled out of the way. The Deskcise Pro can be used by anyone to do anything and is the easiest and most convenient way to add activity to your day. Make your day an active one and get a Deskcise Pro today.